What symptoms did you suffer from that brought you to Max Health Center, and how long did you suffer with the problem?
The first time I came here was a couple of years ago because my wrist was bugging me, and I guess it was like classic carpal tunnel syndrome. I'm really happy I didn't end up at a regular doctor because I think they would have done like pain meds, brace, and then operations because it wouldn't have worked. And yeah, Dr. Rob and his crew were amazing because they basically just pointed out that I slouch. So I had to kind of rework how I do everything in my mind, but also, the visits and the exercises they did, and the symptoms were gone in like, I think 4 months or something, 5 months. I felt like it was a miracle. I've been suffering with that for almost a year, and it was getting worse and worse and worse. And now I'm back because I was in a car accident last year and whiplash really bad. And so we're back to working on my neck, and now we're strengthening up a bit and stuff. But it was a pretty big disaster in the beginning, and now I'm starting to feel like confident enough that it will go away. So,
What did you try in the past that did not correct the problem?
well, the previous one, when I had the wrist thing, I just kept thinking, it was like, oh, I'm working too hard, and I'm using the computer too much, and I'm using my wrist too much, and I was like taking pain meds, and I kept pulling on my wrist and stretching it, and trying all these like methods to fix my wrist. When I was brought here, I realized it was my back, so it was kind of good. And then, well, with the car accident, it was like pain meds, do I want a shot in the neck, all these like intense things that medical doctors wanted to do. So I'm happy to not have to go that route.
What do you like about the approach of treatments at Max Health?
I like that it kind of points out what you have to, like, as a person, what you have to do to fix your problem, in that I really believe we are in charge of our own bodies, and we often forget. We have to think, oh, well, it's something outside of me, and this is happening to me. And here, it's like you're retaught, no, it's you, and you can fix it yourself, and you just need a little bit of help and guidance, and I like that. So.
What part of your life has improved since you started with Max Health? What could you do now that you were not able to do before, at work, at home, with your hobbies?
Well, I don't have pain anymore, so that takes away a lot of my stress, and it just enables me to feel a lot more relaxed and a little bit more carefree about my life. As far as not being able to do anything with the car accident, I couldn't even turn my head after the car accident. I could barely move, I could barely sleep, I was getting these pounding headaches, and that's like almost gone. So it's just a great sense of relief, I think.